Audit is pretty multifaceted.
Our audits help investors have peace of mind.
We help our clients with a number of IT issues they come across, whether that's on the financial side or from a technical IT side of things, helping to eliminate risk points they may have.
So not only are we protecting the capital markets, but we're ensuring that there's honesty and integrity.
We're trying to bring about trust.
So when you see that KPMG logo, you know that there's a lot of trust in audit quality.
Just being able to work on multiple different clients is super interesting.
I've been fortunate enough to work with big teams and small teams in audit.
We have everything from large public clients with large public teams to smaller private clients with smaller teams.
We are incorporating technology into our everyday audit experience, making it a more collaborative, efficient, and effective experience.
We are adopting new technology tools all the time.
I use a lot of AI on my day-to-day.
We're now training folks right when they start here with how to extract data from databases, help run routines that automate a lot of the work that you typically would have had to do.
I'm consistently learning both locally and nationally.
Lake house training, it's a fun experience. You get to meet a lot of people, but you also get to learn a lot.
It's an exciting time to join audit because we are rapidly changing.
KPMG is one of the fastest growing Big Four firms. We're incorporating so much technology into our audit experience.
We're contributing to our community, we're helping our environment, and we're making sure that we're having a positive impact on the world more than just the clients that we work with.
Experience the difference
With KPMG Audit.